First thing we want to do is we simply want to open up Steam. Once we are on Steam, you can see we are in our library section like so, but we want to go to the Steam settings in the top left-hand corner of the screen. Once you're on this, you simply want to go to the controller option in settings and scroll down to the option enable Steam input for Xbox controllers, as well as put on enabled games and toggle on these two switches below that right there so we can actually connect our controller. Once you've done that, you simply want to add a game in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen and go on to add a non-Steam game. From here, you simply want to add Steam programs and you'll actually see your game pop up on this panel like so. Once you've done that, your game will pop up in this panel like so. I've labeled mine game for reasons of creating this video, but the game that you want to connect will pop up here, and assuming you've properly connected your controller, it should pop up with an icon on this panel right here. If you don't see a controller icon, that means you did not connect your controller to Steam. And once you click on the icon, you can see it'll bring you to these controller settings like so, where you just want to click on the option called gamepad right here. And as you can see, we've simply connected our controller right here, where you can actually change any of the settings for the controller if you would like to. Once you've applied your layout, you simply want to go back and you've successfully connected your controller